Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This unboxing, I wasn't expecting it, but my strainer after 10 years decided to give up on me. This is why we are here. Guys, I'm gonna leave you here a video with all the ornaments I have for my hair. Yes, a lot, right? Yesterday, after my strainer gave up on me, I thought it was like, this is the moment to do what I was saying I wouldn't do ever. I bought the Dyson. I was thinking if I'm gonna buy another strainer, it was going to be like 200 euro or something like that. So why can I just don't put a little more and buy a Dyson with everything? With the curls, to strainer, dry. Guys, and I find it in the color I wanted. And this is the stray plus wavy mode. This is the Airwrap ID. Guys, I love this color. I love this color. This color looks so good. Guys. I know this is expensive, okay? Don't judge me because this wasn't a bad idea. Because this is actually an investment. Why is it investment? Because this is like 5 things in just one, right? And also I need it because, guys, my strainer gave up on me. Because if my strainer didn't say bye, it wasn't supposed to be here. But just because of that, we are here. Now I want to try to go into this world of blowouts. And that's why I was like, okay, let's give it a chance. Okay, I have to stop talking and start doing something because I have that bad thing. I normally talk too much and guys, I need my boyfriend. The box is really strong, so by this moment I think the little Jess is so proud of me. She will say like, oh my god, Jess, you are so cool. You are so cool. I want to become you. But what she doesn't know is I'm here now. I'm here now. She's now me. Well, whatever. Let's keep going. This is probably the worst way to open it. Okay, guys, it's this big. I don't know why, but everything is big than me. Always, all the time. Okay, so I just took this, it's instructions, and I'm gonna keep. So, what do you wanna see first? Okay, I'm gonna show you first with what it comes with. Okay, so it comes with this. From what I heard, you just do something kind of like this, and this is gonna take you the freeze. Here we have this one. This probably like to make your hair curl like, you know, like this or something. It's pink. This is like a brush. This is, oh, I guess this one is like when you just want your hair straight. What is this? Oh, we have the first one for the curls. I think this is the tiny one. Okay, this probably the big one. This is the one I see in so many videos. You put it, no, you just put it like this, and it's like, and you keep going, and then we have this one. This is the dryer. Oh my god, everything looks so cute, so nice, so pink. instructions, very good. And finally we have, okay, so this is the cable. This to sing, you know. Okay, let's just start doing it. Oh my god, I'm so bad for this. I never know how to open anything properly. Well, here we are. Guys, oh my god, the color. So here you have like 3 little things, like for, I guess, is for hot air, and then they have a blue one is for the cold, I guess. Then it has all these. I'm just have to learn how to use it. I don't think I'm gonna take this from here now because I'm gonna see it. Here you have something to lock it. Should we use this one? Here we lock it. Let's see here. This try. It's working. It's working. Let's try first, like, let's say with this part, okay? I don't know how to use it properly, like. Okay. Guys. Oh my god. Okay, let's try here. Let me put this hair back. Hello, guys. Guys. Oh my god, do you see how quick? Okay, this looks like this because I don't know how to use it yet. But I think it's not that hard as everyone was saying, like. Let me unlock this. Okay, let's use another one. Let's use this one. I feel like a little girl with all this. Let's see. Should we use this again or another one? Okay, let's use this part a little more to see. Cold air, and then, guys, are you seeing how quick is this? And what else you would try? No, I want to try one more. Let's do one more here. Oh my god, it's so quick. Okay, so first I'm gonna put just on the orange because I don't want to put like too hot, and then before I took it out I put like cold, and then I'm gonna take it. Here we go. It's so quick. It takes the hair so quick. I don't know why the girls are complaining about it. Like, I seen so many videos about the girls saying like the hair, it takes too long to get into the Dyson ball. I think it's really quick. cold air, and then we take it. Guys, I'm gonna make you a video. I'm gonna make you a video when I actually train a lot with this. But guys, should we use? I'm gonna show you now the one for to dry your hair. Let's put secure and oh, okay. Oh, it's cold air. Oh my god, how nice. Let me see for what is this, because I don't know yet. Oh, it's this is the potential, like this the little one, high and high. So what else we have to use? This one. This one is supposed to be for the face. Let's try on. Wait. There you go. Guys, I can't wait to do my hair with this baby. Like it's so quick to do a curls. Like it takes less than a minute. You see, guys, I'm investment. Wait, go. Let's see, cause this was here, but you can put it like that. So let me see how it looks. Guys. Well, guys, that was the whole video. I'm gonna make a next video just using this for colors. I'm probably gonna do it with this one. I hope you like this video, guys. If you have already a Dyson, please give me a few tips because I'm lost. I still have to see how to use it properly and everything, but don't worry, guys. I'm gonna find it out for you and explain you in the next video. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.